Introduction to Jump Search.
Jump search is a searching algorithm used to find a specific value within a sorted array. It works by jumping ahead by fixed steps instead of checking every element one by one, making it more efficient than linear search, but simpler than binary search. This method is useful in situations where speed and a low-complexity algorithm are both important.
How Jump Search works.
Jump search divides the sorted array into blocks of a set size, typically the square root of the total number of elements. It jumps ahead block by block, checking the last item of each block until it passes or finds the target value. After narrowing down the range, it then performs a linear search within that block to locate the exact position.
Steps to implement Jump Search.
To implement jump search, first calculate the optimal step size, usually the square root of the array's length. Jump through the array by that step size, checking each endpoint. When the target may be within a block, perform a linear search back through that block. If the value is found, return its index. Otherwise, indicate that it's not present.
Benefits of Jump Search.
Jump search stands out because of its simplicity and improved efficiency over linear search for large sorted arrays. Its time complexity is O root n, meaning it performs significantly fewer checks than linear search, yet is easier to implement than binary search, which requires more array access and control flow.
When to use Jump Search.
Jump search is ideal for searching in large, sorted arrays when you want a balance of speed and straightforward implementation. It's particularly useful when memory access patterns favor sequential or block access. However, if random access is slow or the dataset is unsorted, other algorithms like binary or linear search may be better choices.